This is Aakansh Maheshwari. I am from Pacific Medical College and I am a medical student ambassador for CBS. And today I'll be unboxing the package of books that they have sent me, which is a perk of being an ambassador. So let's review this package. Yeah, so I have opened this package up, and in this package I have received two books. One is a textbook of community medicine, PSM, Sundar Lal. It's the 7th edition of this book, and the paper quality, as usual, is very good for CBS. So in general, in the CBS books, it's very good, and the index is very much detailed for each chapter, as you guys can see. Like, just for example, this epidemiology of communicable and non-communicable disease, you guys can see that they have marked like each topic, and they have clearly mentioned the page number. So let's dive into the book and see how the look and feel of it is. You can see that they have explained via diagrams and pretty clearly how things go in a chapter. This is actually very nice. Plus they've also added tables, as you can see, which is like very important for PSM. If you know, a good book in PSM can be judged through its charts and tables and diagrams. In general, this book is a 10 on 10 in look and feel, and also it seems like a good book to read after the changes in the CBME, and also it's a new edition, so it will definitely help. Again, this is the Ghai for Essential Pediatrics. It's like everyone in India knows that this is the standard book that you need to read, and there is no other pedia book which you should get. You should only read Ghai, and everyone follows Ghai only. The cover of the book is a hard cover, as you guys can see, very durable. Plus in like words can't describe how good this book is. The quality is very good, color markings, charts, everything is picture perfect, diagrams are perfect. Can't explain much because this is like the Bible, the NCRT for pediatrics, as you may say. Let's go to the index quickly. Yeah, they have covered most of the topics, plus also the amount of clinical topics and the amount of pictography this book has is very helpful for our exams. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.